Okay. Edit, cut, cut. Hi, everyone. I'm Angela Sanguinetti. I'm a researcher at the UC Davis Institute of Transportation Studies and Energy and Efficiency Institute. I'm hosting today's section of Trim the Waste Home Edition. We're going to be talking about your home energy bill and how to interpret your home energy bill and the way that behavioral science is used to help create nudges within energy bills to promote energy conservation at home. The first bill that we're going to be looking at, this might look familiar. If you're in PG&E territory, this may be what your home energy bill looks like. So you can see a theme throughout is comparing your home energy use to other similar homes in your area. So at the top, you have a bar chart that's featuring your home energy use in comparison with more efficient homes and with all similar homes. And you can see here that this person is doing well. They're rated as good in comparison with other similar homes. And this is called a peer comparison. It's a type of feedback standard that's meant to help people get motivated to improve their performance by comparing how they're doing with other people that are like them. And if you were to ask people whether this would be effective, most people would say no, that they don't care how other people are using energy, because we tend to underreport the influence of social norms on our own behavior. We don't think that we're doing anything because other people do it this way or don't do it this way. But actually it is quite effective, and a lot of research has shown that these social norm comparisons are very effective and they motivate people to conserve energy. And a major factor with social norm comparisons is the similarity of the comparison group. So if you were going to compare my home energy use with someone who has a mansion, that's not going to be very relevant. So you're going to want to give me a comparison group that I can relate to, that I think is similar to me. So you can see in this bill here that this person is being compared with 90 homes within 1 mile radius of their home, and those homes also have gas heat. So it's saying that you're similar in terms of these parameters with these other homes. So that should make the social norm comparison more effective. And then they give you these smiley faces, which are called injunctive norms, to just let you know that your behavior is good or not so good. So if you were just to show people the energy consumption and the units of energy consumed, people may not know whether that's good or bad. So those injunctive norms are there to supplement the social norms, and together research has shown this to be quite effective. So many utilities include these types of feedback in their energy bills. So today we've talked about energy feedback in the context of your home energy bills, and there are a variety of other applications of energy feedback. If you've ever driven in a Toyota Prius or another car that has a dashboard with feedback that helps you drive more efficiently, that's another example of what we call eco-feedback more broadly. There are also dashboards like the Campus Energy Education dashboard of UC Davis that provide feedback on energy use of buildings across the entire campus, and a variety of other applications. And this is what we study at my lab called Consumer Energy Interfaces, or Synergy for short. Check us out. Tune in next week for another episode of Trim the Waste Home Edition.